Alright, I thought I'd take a quick minute and show you guys an issue that one of my customers' machines is having. You can see here the heatsink is not on the motherboard, and when I cracked it open, it was kind of laying sideways, and I had to look around, and you can see the heatsink loop that normally mounts right here. You can see the other one is there, and I don't know if it's heat related. This thing was pretty much bunged up with dust and cat hair, so I assume it got hot and the soldered, let go on the other end. This customer doesn't have a whole lot of money, so the quickest and easiest fix, and I've done this before, is just a little bit of super glue, and I use the gel type so I don't make a mess, and I put a little bit of super glue in each hole and tad on the loop itself, put it in, and then I don't touch it. So of course I'm going to clean this all up, clean up the underside of the heatsink, put some new heatsink compound on it. I use these optic prep pads because I've got 100 or so of them. So let's see what we can do. First thing I'm going to do is clean this up real good, get as much of that heatsink compound off as I can. I know there's probably millions of videos on YouTube about this, so I'll probably speed through this. Alright, so we'll just let that set. Okay, as you can see, the heatsink is back in place. Both arms are attached properly. It's on there securely. Again, I did bend the arm slightly to release some of the tension. Again, this customer, to save her some money, rather than take the whole motherboard out, and I just used a little bit of super glue and glued that hoop back in place, and I'm just about ready to go fire it up, continue cleaning it up for her. So hopefully this has been helpful for you if you have the same situation with your computer.